Fast Track in the Scenario tool uses natural language processing to make scenario creation faster and more intuitive. Instead of adjusting inputs manually, you can simply describe your scenario in plain language, either by typing or speaking, and Fast Track will do the rest. In the modal, you'll see 3 sample prompts to help you get started. You can use one of these or type or speak your own. Let's see how it works in action. I'm going to use the transcribe feature. Create a scenario starting 30 years ago with a $100,000 initial investment in SPY. Contribute $2,000 per month until year 15. In year 15, add a lump sum of $500,000. Starting in year 20, begin withdrawing $3,000 per month. And just like that, Fast Track will instantly build the scenario for me, saving me the time it would take to manually enter each contribution and withdrawal. Fast Track turns complex, multi-step financial strategies into clear, client-ready visuals in seconds. It's a faster and more flexible way to model scenarios that matter most to your clients, so you can spend less time on data entry and more time on the conversation.